Mhm.
What if I have an established tree and that flare is buried? Is there anything that can be done?
Yeah, if the whole tree is planted too low, it's really difficult. If it's just a matter of mulch piling up year after year, and another thing that happens when you do that that's really detrimental to tree health is you trick the tree into thinking the soil level is higher. And
Yeah.
up and down the bark of this tree, up and down the trunk of this tree, there are latent buds, and the tree will think that the soil is there, and it'll send out what's called adventitious roots. And these roots will hit the edge of that mulch, and they'll start wrapping around the tree, and they'll girdle the tree. They'll strangle it out, and that's really bad. So what we do, Katie, thank you for asking, is we use an air tool called an air spade. It's this really neat gun-like thing. It's an air gun, right? And it looks like a space laser from a sci-fi movie. We hook it to an air compressor, and we blast out that root zone. So at high pressure, we're blasting out the soil, the soil and mulch mix that's been piling up year after year, and exposing those adventitious roots. And then we prune those roots off. We use that air gun because it doesn't damage the good roots, the positive roots, if you will, of the tree. It doesn't break them like if you're hitting it with a shovel. And you can't break the trunk of the tree with it. Put it up against it, you can. But anyway, so we then prune off those adventitious roots that have formed, and then we reestablish the mulch ring and soil level at an appropriate level. Yes, at an appropriate level, appropriate depth.